Hey guys, okay, so to get started with this room tour that I'm doing, ignore all the cords. Can you like comment down below like how to make them look pretty? I didn't know what to do. I tried to tape them to the wall, tape didn't stick. So yeah, so ignore that. To give an overview, this is what it looks like. Yeah, so right at my door, I have my school bag and then my jacket and then my purse right there. And then right behind it, I have my closet. It's not a walk-in closet, it's just a sliding door closet. It's like on a slat board, so that's pretty cool. I have my short sleeves up here, my pants right there. And then on the other side, I have my long sleeve right here, and then my dresses right there, and then my shoes right here. And then coming off of that wall, I have like my vanity that I created. I wanted like an actual like vanity desk and all that with drawers and all that, but with the size of my room, that didn't really fit. So I was just like, hey, what if we just go to IKEA? So all these shelves are from IKEA. This is from Burlington, and this is from At Home, I think. Yeah, this is from At Home. And then this is from IKEA as well, and this is from Target. And then these containers, I'm not exactly sure where they're from. My mom just had them. I think she got them for her wedding, so it's like at a craft store, I'm pretty sure. So like up here, I have my face stuff back here, like my contouring and then highlighting stuff right there, and then lip stuff, and then my face, so foundation and concealer, and then obviously mascara, eyelashes, and all that. And so yeah, that's that shelf. And then over here I have my eyeshadows back here, and then I have my eyebrow stuff, and then like primer, and then here's some more eyeshadows right here. And then I had that made when I was born. This mirror right here, hello. This mirror right here is from Target. It's just a circle mirror. And this, I have no idea where it's from, but it's a Himalayan salt rock lamp. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And then I have my Echo Dot right here. And then I have my record player. And when I was filming the like intro for this, the needle broke. So, oh, it's really dusty. But the needle broke, and I feel like that's from the move, and I'm like pretty triggered right now, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. And then all my records are back here. I have 5 of them, so yeah. And then on this wall, I have these hanging plants, and they're from Walmart. I just saw them and I was like, ooh, these are cute. And I wanted like a wood and a plant theme, but when you get to this side, it doesn't really look like plants. It looks like ocean to me, really. Okay, here's my window, and you can see the backyard. And this is my TV. I've had it for several years now. Don't know where it's from. PlayStation, PS4, and then I have 2 games. I'm gonna get some more, because there's, I don't know, just because I like games. And then I also have, this doesn't really work. I think it's because of that little white cord right there. Oh, that's hot. That white cord. So that's supposed to be lighting up, and then it has rocks from like spring break of last year. And then this is from Bath and Body Works. It smells amazing. Why do I have 2 different scented candles? Because I love candles. And then this is something that my stepdad had, so I have no idea where he got this from. And then here are all my books right here. And then I have like my Polaroid and then this random pair of glasses just because I thought they were cute. This is my cat. And then I have this devotion book, and then my Bible, and then a notebook, and then some more books at the bottom. And then on this gigantic wall, this is my favorite part of my room, is I have these are like bookends, and again, I have no idea where it's from. It was from the same thing. It's like my stepdad had it. And then these shelves are from IKEA, and as you can see underneath, there's like lights. This side is broken, but there's lights underneath, so at night I can have those on. And then this is from Burlington as well. Like, are you shook? Because I am. Like, it is so pretty. I love it so much. So, and then my bed. It is a queen size bed. I was gonna get a full just because my room is kind of small, but this only came in a queen and king, and I really like the back because it looks really cute. And it's like a slat bed, so like it just sits close to the floor. I did have a box spring with it, but it just sat really high and it just took up too much space, so I took that down. And so my comforter is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and so are these two pillows right here. And then my sheets are from Walmart because I forgot to get some at Bed Bath & Beyond. And then my bed it's from like this furniture store, Value City Furniture or something like that. I think that's where I got it from. Can't really remember. But yeah, that is basically my room. Nothing really exciting, I guess, other than, well, I don't know. I really like how it was my idea and it came to life. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!